Right angle triangles times 2. So let's read this. Right angle triangles A and B, so this one and this one, to the right are equivalent. Okay, so that means that they are the same no matter how you look at them. So that means this must be, let's see, this must be 3 centimeters, which means this must be 3 centimeters, and that must be 4 centimeters. Okay, imagine you rotate the right angle triangle B, so this one, and then put the longest sides of both triangles, so you rotate this 180, and then you put the longest sides of both triangles together, so that now you have a square. So what it must mean is this. So here's A, right? That's A. And then with B, what we're supposed to do is rotate that around, so that it looks like this, and we put them together so that we make a square that now looks like this. Okay, so we've got an A here, and we've got a B here. Okay. As I said, if we retain the measurements, we know that that's a 3, that's a 3, that's a 3, and that's a 3, and remember these were 4. Okay, so give the perimeter of this newly made square. So that's pretty simple from now that we've done all that. We can go 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that's going to equal, that's 6, that's going to be 12 centimeters. Or we could go a little bit more algebraic on it, and we know that the perimeter formula looks like this. P equals 4s, so that's the formula for a square, right? Remember that one? So we plug in what we know. Perimeter equals 4 times the side. We know what a side is, they're all 3. So 3, and then it's P equals 4 times 3, which is 12. Units of measurement, centimeters. We are done.